fuck with Jenny. Keep her hair done, nails done like Jenny. Who else got 'em obsessed like Jenny? Jenny, Jenny, Jenny.
It's Pesto. Sana wala akong katabi.
Have you ever met? Have you ever met? Yeah.
Hong Kong, 3:30. Kain na tayo guys. Hanap tayo ng kainan. Pero feeling ko doon na lang ako sa Tapatin.
She been naked for a reason. Oh, whoa, what? I could tell her all my secrets. Oh, whoa, what? Cause I know she gon' keep them. Oh, whoa, what? Ain't nothing come between us. Oh, whoa, what? Damn, I made one. Damn, I made one. Yeah, she up in here with me right now. I said,
Boarding group 6 po, pwede na rin po. And all remaining guests.
A. 41A. Napunta rin sa wakas sa window part. Dito tayo sa window. Let's go.
To unfasten, lift top of buckle, vest over the head.
Here. Pumunta na kami immigration. Welcome to Hong Kong. Let's go. Dali na tayo. Para makalabas agad. Gar.
Exit from the train.
Ang galing ko naman. Ala, umikot-ikot pa siya. Ikot-ikot lang.
miss you, si Bingle.
Kasi birthday ni Ginzero ngayon.
Ano, ha?
Ano? Kinikilig ako ba na siya? Feeling ko pati ako sa girlfriend. So, naiingit yung person.
Pauwi na.
Papapicture yan si Angel tapos pag-pinicturean kanya, pangit. Tapos pag-check, demanding niya.
Fresh. We're finally home dito sa bagong bahay. Ng aking bebe. Naglulutuan niya ako. Ito ba yan vlog to? Magpakaputi ka namang tao.
Mamaya na kasi busy baga ako. Can't you see?
Kiss nga. Perfect. Yun na yung outro ko. Bye!